I want you to just really think today, even this week, about giving yourself a break. Give yourself just a quick timeout right now, and also when you feel like you're becoming a little bit stressed, or stretched, or even upset. Sometimes a short break can really help you put things into perspective. And then when you come back to whatever it is you're doing, you can return to that situation or what have you with a more positive demeanor. There's a lot going on in our world right now, and there's a lot that we are trying to do and to balance, and everybody's situation is completely different. And so I would encourage you to just give yourself a break. Allow yourself to be free to do nothing. Just for a little while. And then press that reset button and then go back to your normal situation and look at it from more of a positive perspective. Give yourself a break. Give yourself some time.